Welcome to the core. I don't know if this world has any controls or not, but this world is called the core. Oh, I don't think you can get on top of here. But maybe you can if I find a higher ledge to jump off of. Let me see, maybe this right here can get us up there. Nope, I can see that there's a barrier around here. Oh, wait, no, wait a minute. Here we go. I'm starting to lag out a little bit, but let's see what's in here. Oh, it automatically teleports me way back over here. But this world is called the core, and this is pretty much it, I suppose. Not really much going on here.